Hello, once again. So it dawned on me earlier today that you may actually want to know the answers to the daily questions. So we're going to look at week one from AMI. If you want to know the answers, here they are, starting with the first one, March 15th. The daily question was let's see here. Look around the room. What types of radiation are you exposed to? A lot of you said your cell phones and microwave radiation and radio waves. All of those are right. There's tons of waves coming at you all the time. Infrared. If you go outside, there's UV light, sunlight. Okay. March 16th. Let's see. That question was, if I can find it, day two. Why are some forms of radiation dangerous to humans while others are not? Well, some forms of radiation are called ionizing radiation. And they're typically real high energy and they can really mess up your molecules. They go in there and rip off electrons off of your atoms and your molecules. Then your molecules are scrambling, trying to find replacement electrons. And so they start yanking them off of all these other healthy molecules. Anyways, causes all kinds of problems. That's ionizing radiation. That's the bad stuff. But like that's not typically what we're exposed to during the day. Let's see, day three. Let's see if I can find it. March 18th. March 18th. The question was, let's see, what's the relationship between wavelength and frequency? Direct or indirect? Wavelength and frequency, that is an indirect relationship. If wavelength goes up, frequency goes down, which means that if the wavelengths get really long, then the frequency, you're going to have really low frequency. Those waves are not going to be going through a time period very fast. It's like the rope gets really stretched out. Now, if you squeeze that rope together, those little waves, the wavelengths get a lot closer and you have a lot more waves in a given time period. So high frequency, short wavelengths. But anyway, so it's indirect. It's an indirect relationship. Let's see, day 19. March 19th. Let's see, daily question. There was the one about the Hulk. I think I missed that one. Anyways, Bruce Banner was exposed to gamma radiation. Gamma radiation is very high energy. It's the highest energy radiation. It messed up his molecules. It's ionizing radiation. And then day 5, March the 20th, it was the one about which light travels faster, red or blue, which has higher frequency, which has longer wavelengths. Red light and blue light travel at the same speed, which is the speed of light. That was a trick question. Now, red light and blue light is at the higher energy end of the spectrum. So blue light has a much higher frequency than red light does, which is why, and blue light is a much higher energy. Red light is a very low energy light, which is why you can use it to develop film. And then longer wavelengths. Okay. When you think of low frequency, think long wavelengths, long and low. So red light has really long, stretched out wavelengths and really low frequency. Blue light is the opposite. Blue light is a really high frequency, high energy light, and it's got really short wavelengths. So there you go. Those are your daily questions from week one.